Hi. So today we will talk about the must-have accessories for DJI Drone Mini 3 Pro. So these are the accessories which you must have for a safe flight, right? So I will take you one by one. Now here is the drone. The first thing which you should have is the landing gear. So what happens if I remove this strap? If you see the DJI drone, there is very little distance between the ground and the drone. So that in some cases might damage your camera which is mounted, because there is very little space. So if you don't land it properly, this gimbal might get damaged. So you need a landing gear. This is very lightweight and you can buy it from Amazon. So you just have to put it over here in the slot, and here you just click it. That's it. So this gives you some distance, safe distance in the ground and the drone. The other very important thing is that you need to buy this propeller guard. Okay, so this when you pack your drone, so this helps you to keep your propellers intact while they are in the bag. So maybe because these propellers are very lightweight and might get damaged when you unpack it from your bag, right? So here how you pack your drone. So what you do is that you take the propeller guard and you just click on this. This is a magnetic strap and it gets right. So there I need to keep it over here like this, and now you can just strap it. Wow, there you go. So your propeller is safe now with this. So you can either use a rubber band, or you can buy this from Amazon, and you can protect your propeller. Now regarding the RC, what you need to buy are two things. One is the RC guard, the screen guard, what we call. So this is made of glass, and you should cover this with this. This will help you to protect your screen from scratches, from water and anything. And also you need to buy this strap. So here you can remove it or you can put it. Like this. And there's a screw over here, so you can anytime screw it on. This helps you to protect. You will not fall while you play with your drone. And also the other thing is you should buy this. This is your fly mode kit from DJI. So this is the normal battery, which is 249 grams, which comes with the drone, and this is the fly mode drone battery. So this is like, it gives you almost a time of 47 minutes. So the difference you can find out, like here there is nothing mentioned on this battery, but here it is mentioned 249 grams. Now last but not the least is the ND filters. So before we start with the ND filter, I will just explain you what the ND filter does. So ND filter is like a sunglass. So when there's a very bright light, you need a sunglass to protect you from the light, right? So what happens in a camera, suppose it's a very bright day and you want to show motion in your photography or in your, like, in the video. At that slow speed, what happens is that your background becomes very bright and overexposed. It becomes white almost in certain cases. So in that case, what you can do, you can put ND filters to darken up your thing. So when it is dark outside, the camera, then you can increase your shutter speed, right? So by that you can show motion on the photography as well while you are doing videography. So that creates something like what you see in your real eyes. So here I have put ND4 filter, which is 2 stops filter, ND4, and this is the fly mode kit that you get. This I purchased from Amazon. So this is a wonderful filter, will just open it for you. Right, so this is the fly mode kit. So you have got the filters, like this is ND8, if you see clearly, this is ND8, then ND16, 32, 32 and ND64, right? So it goes from ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64 and also ND4. So ND4 I have put over here. So in ND8 you can have picture like this, in ND16 you can have something like this, and in 34 you can have ND. So ND filters help you to get very beautiful pictures in slow motion, and you don't get that sharp images which looks very artificial. So, and this is the gimbal cover. Always ensure that your gimbal is protected and safe. This will always keep your gimbal covered like this. This is the protector. So that's it. So that's how the things will go on. So you should buy those accessories, the gimbal protector, the landing pad, gear, the ND filters you should buy. You should buy those straps, you should buy the screen guard, and of course you should have this, the fly mode.